Hi, I'm Dr. Antonia Johnson. For this speech tip video, we will focus on two vowel sounds, the long U and the long E. We will use words from Dallas New on YouTube. He says, "Thank you for the helpful video clips. Can you teach us how to pronounce review and reveal? I cannot tell the difference. You say this word." Some people say revi or revie. You say this word. Some people say reviewal. These words are difficult because they are similar. The key is that the vowel sound is different. Let's do the first word, review. The second syllable is spelled V-I-E-W. The syllable begins with a V and the vowel is pronounced as a long vowel U. U. You say the vowel U. U. It is just like the word you as in you and me. You. Two positions and two sounds. You. You say it. You. Make your lips flat, then into a kiss for the long vowel U. Now put the V with the vowel view. You say it. View. Now say the first syllable re. You say it. Re. Let's put them together. Review. You say it. Review. So much for the word review. Let's do the second word, reveal. The second syllable is spelled V-E-A-L. The vowel is a digraph, E-A. The E is a long vowel E and the A is silent, E. You say it. E. Let's do the second syllable, veal. You say it. Veal. Use slow muscles. Veal. You do it. Veal. Be sure to say the L sound clearly. Watch that I push my tongue out to touch my lower lip for the L. L. Veal. You say it. Veal. Now do the whole word. Reveal. You say it. Reveal. Let's do these two words one more time. Review. You do it. Review. Now the second word, reveal. You do it. Reveal. Thank you for watching this English pronunciation video. Like us on Facebook for more videos, or subscribe to us here on YouTube. For more information on accent reduction, visit our website at cleartalkmastery.com.